Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Hello. I hope you're well. And in today's video, I wanted to make sure that have a couple of tips of how to make pins that will go viral on Pinterest. And if you are creating beautiful pins and make sure that will go viral, we will talk about what makes a good pin, what makes a great pin on Pinterest. And I will show you a couple of mine that I just pinned them a couple of hours ago, and they're doing very well. For example, let's have a look this one, because I want you to understand that do not underestimate the power of viral pin, because it will help you skyrocket your views, get more sales, increase your following, and also you need to have a look through at my pins and see, the difference, see the similar color. We're going to talk about this. So let's first of all of us, we can have a look through those pins. First of all, they're all long and vertical, as you can see. There is a text overlay on the image and is clear and readable. Obviously, I have my website below, or usually I put a small logo, which is very good in terms of branding. And also a large engaging photo of what is the content, on what the content is about. I'm always pinning an image in relation to what am I, what is the pin, what is the blog post, or what is the services that I'm offering. So as you can see, for example, that was pinned almost like 24 hours ago, so it has over 1,100 and 800k impressions. It has one save, it has 5 clicks, and this is really doing better. Also, it's just one in 24 hours, and I want you to have a look through. It's very beautiful. I actually like the image of this one. And then I want you to have a look through at another one. Also, keywords is a big part, and I told you about that, and I'm also restated every day, and every time I do a video, I explain how important it is to put the right keywords. But make sure, when you pin, they have those qualities. If you can see here, all those pins that went viral, this one also, you will see it closer, they have contrasting colors. So if you can see, for example, I have the purple here, and then I have light yellows, so it's all of them contrasting colors. So keep that in mind where you design. And I think the other thing you need to remember, this one has a lot of impressions. You can have a look through. It's 14 clicks. I just pinned it a couple of hours ago. It has 14 clicks already, 6 saves, and is over 2,500 1,000 impressions already, which is very good. This one doesn't have any image. It's just a simple one with my logo. And again, it has, readable text image on the front. So the other thing you need to remember when you design pins is also stock photography. It's good to have a plan or to have a look through a stock photography, like professional websites that are sending images, so you wouldn't have any problems like maybe copywriting laws, because, you know, I use Canva and I use other websites as well. And I find large stock images in there, and I use them not only, you know, for my pins. I use them from a website. I use them for my ebooks, for my courses, and also I put my creativity and, you know, I design them. So when I have any problems, so you should have a look through at the stock, you know, photography, check what plans they have for you, and depends on your needs. I mean, how many images do you use? The most of them that I have, that are from Canva, and I also put my own creativity on. So I mean, creating your own designs and add them into your website is better. And also, if you are not, I said that before, if you are not very creative and you don't want to struggle, if you're just starting on Pinterest, I'm selling Pinterest, Canva, you know, ready-made pins. You don't have to struggle with that. They're customizable. You can edit your logos and your branding colors, as I do with all of those. For example, they're very beautiful. And you will see a big difference, because a beautiful pin always make a difference. And I guarantee you that my canvas will convert you to, you know, more clients, more leads. I have seen a difference. So do not underestimate a beautiful design. You know, it's always making a difference, along with everything else. Is one small part is design, and then there's obviously the keywords. Like here, that is just been a couple of hours ago, and it's really doing great. And again, see the colors that are contrasting, so you need to have a look through, and keep in mind when you design to have the pins to have those qualities, to be, you know, longer vertical. I mean, mine, they're not really long. I can make them a bit longer, but it's okay. I'm just following what Pinterest says. So this is another one, another pin of mine that went viral, because this is what you want. That's a couple of hours ago as well as today ones, obviously. So that's also over 2,400k impressions to save links so far. Is incredible. And again, you can see the colors is similar to my branding. And again, constructing colors is something that you need to remember, obviously, and keywords, and that will give you a lot of my pins that go viral. And this is something you need to remember, the keywords and the beautiful design for people to click on it. And this is how you're going to succeed at Pinterest. Some of my pins are even uglier, but they do get impressions. And this is the, you know, the power of Pinterest is a visual search engine. So you need to think that people like to, you know, like to click, persuade them to click. So do not underestimate the power of viral pins, because if you're creating a beautiful pin, that will increase your traffic and convert you to more clients, and you will get sales. I mean, you will get sales for sure. I have seen it, and you will get more conversions. So you have seen this one, and you can see the colors, and this one again. This one is also speaking up. This one has many saves. It doesn't have even 500 impressions, but it has many saves. So my canvas is incredible. And again, the colors and the payments of what I'm selling, so people know what they're gonna get. So, and that's it. something for you to remember. And if you struggle again, I say that you don't have to struggle. And if you cannot design, I'm selling the Pinterest pins canvas, the videos, and they're all customizable. It's just going to take you 4 minutes, and you will see a lot of difference. So, I mean, this is what it makes a great pin. This is a good pin, a beautiful pin. That's why they go viral. And, it's also the keywords. Keywording is very, very important. And then is the image, and then is, the rest is all together. So you need to remember those tips, because if you're struggling on Pinterest, or if you cannot get followers, it's because you don't design beautiful pins. Get rid of the ugly pins. Just design beautiful images and just pin them, and you will see a difference anyway. Okay, that's it for me today. Thank you very much. Now, don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, so you wouldn't miss any upcoming videos. And also, I am preparing another Pinterest course that I will share all those tips with you, and I will let you know in the future. So don't miss any videos. Thank you very much for that, and I wish you all of you well, and take care.